So hi, I'll be showing you all around VaRify, which is my value at risk calculator, which I've created using VaRify API and statistical models such as student distribution and normal distribution to calculate the potential losses in Indian rupees of investments made into the New York Stock Exchange or NYSE. So I'll be starting off with say IBM. So we'll put in the stock ticker symbol, which for in this case is IBM. We'll be pulling the historical data from the last 1 year. So I'll select 1 year over here and say we'll be holding our investment for 15 days. And I want to see the predictions at a confidence of 95%, which is the confidence rate at which the model is making a prediction. And suppose if I decide to invest an amount of 15,000 into the stock, and we'll be making a prediction using normal for the first case. I'll be showing you the student T for the next stock. Clicking on calculate var, we'll see the model has created the distribution using the last 1 year's data, and at a confidence of 95%, the model is predicting the loss to be at 9.82%, which translates into a potential loss of 1,473 rupees at a historic volatility of 27.56%. So we'll see how the predictions change if we change the distribution to student T at a degree of freedom of say 10. The potential losses is now at 9.68, and the potential rupees that we stand to lose would be at 1,400. Changing the stock from IBM to Tesla, which is traditionally a more volatile stock thanks to Elon Musk, and pulling the data from the last 2 years using Finance, and the holding period now say is 20 days. Looking at the predictions at a confidence of 95% again, and we are daring enough to invest 75,000 rupees into the stock and changing the distribution to normal, we'll see the value at risk for our investment to be at a 24%, which translates into 18,000 of the 75,000 that we have invested at a historic volatility of 61%. Changing the distribution to say student T, we'll see the loss does change. It drops to 24.25% at a rupee translation of 18,000 rupees. Decreasing the holding period to say 2 days, we'll see changing the distribution normal again. We'll see the loss does drop because the holding period is comparatively very short. So the value at risk loss stands at 8.53% into rupees. It translates into 6,300 rupees. So this is how the calculator is performing, and I feel this would be an important tool and very useful for people who are new to the field of investing and want data at a click of a button to analyze stocks better. So thank you.